This was known as the bullhorn case. Actually, whose bullhorn was louder, as both Kwame Rose, the activist, and the sheriff's deputy used bullhorns on the day of the protest to get attention. Rose was arrested and charged during a protest he led December 16th outside the circuit court. That was the day the jury failed to reach agreement in the case against Officer William Porter and the death of Freddie Gray. Sheriffs charged Rose with 4 violations. Today, in a district court, a judge acquitted Rose on 3 of them related to impeding traffic and using the bullhorn to disturb the peace. But the judge found Rose guilty of failing to obey the order of one of the deputies. Rose's attorney, Ken Ravenel, said an appeal to the circuit court in this case will be filed. The ACLU is concerned Rose's First Amendment rights were violated.
I think that we'll continue this fight in court, and that I'll continue to protest and advocate that other people's rights to first peacefully protest won't be hindered in the future.
I think it's crystal clear that the conduct that Kwame and the other protesters were engaged in is peaceful political protest that is at the very core and heart of what the First Amendment protects.
And the ACLU argues that the order that sheriff issued, that the judge found Kwame Rose guilty of disobeying, was not a lawful order to begin with. The judge did cut Rose a break at sentencing today, rejecting the argument of the prosecutor who wanted a suspended jail sentence, and instead fined Kwame Rose $500, essentially a traffic violation. Reporting live tonight from the District Court in Brooklyn, I'm Jane Miller, WBAL TV 11 News.